Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do what's in my bag on my Leboy here. Also a bit update on my review about this bag. I did a first impression video on this bag few months back and I will update today. When I did the first impression, I was still in excitement because I just got this Leboy and all looks good. I didn't hate anything about it just yet, but over time, after I have been using this boy, I also gather my thoughts on this one and I have a few updates for you guys. So let's start with this size. This is the Chanel Leboy in old medium size, the one with the 10 inch in width, and the depth is around 3 inch. The height is around 5 inch from here to here, and the strap drop is around 12 inch in double. When double, you can use it as shoulder bag, but I mostly use it as a crossbody bag with single drop, which is around 21 inch. So that's the dimension of the bag, and this bag is the black caviar leather with anti-cold hardware, and the caviar leather is shiny, which I really like, and it makes this bag quite durable in my opinion. So far, no significant sign of wear and tear. This bag is practically looks like new. For your information, I baby my bags. This side here has Chanel engraved, which I still have the plastic protection, and this side too. So my update is that number one, this chain sliding is getting to my nerve now. You know, many people complain about the Chanel Boy chain sliding like this when they are using it. So at first I just didn't care because I was so excited, as I mentioned before, but over time this chain is really driving me crazy a bit. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is these two buttons here on the strap. By the way, this strap is not adjustable, at least I cannot adjust them. So these two buttons, when my hair was long, now I chop my hair off. My hair often tangle in these two buttons, and over time it becomes annoying too. So I think it's worth to mention that. And the third thing is the opening of this bag. Even though to open this bag is easy, you just push this sides button here and it opens. But the closing for this bag I find quite annoying for me, because when this bag is full and I was in hurry, I just have to looking for the button to close it without I'm having to going like this or that. That can cause the scratch around this backside here, but that's just me, and I think that's all. The fact that this bag has no back pocket is not bothering me at all, because even if it has the back pocket, I never use the back pocket, almost never. So I think that's only 3 things that bother me. And now I'm going to share what's in my bag. because I'm using this bag today, so why not? This looks like so. Let's start over here. This is my Louis Vuitton round coin purse, which I'm using for my what is this, headphone. I prefer the traditional headphone still, because when I'm using Bluetooth, other than I think it's so fussy that I have to charge the Bluetooth. Also, I noticed that when I'm using Bluetooth, my phone battery ran out faster than when I'm using this traditional headphone. And my Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene key clay, which I am using for my extra cards and receipt. I don't want my receipt to floating around my bag. My Louis Vuitton 4 key holder in monogram. I love it because it's compact and smaller than the 6 key one, and I mentioned that a lot of time. Next, my wet tissue, my wallet. This is my Chanel small wallet in black caviar leather with silver hardware. I just did a review on it. I will link the video if you are interested. And next is my Chanel mini case that I am using for my cosmetic pouch, because this bag is quite small, so this size is just perfect. Looks like this. I don't bring much today. It's my YSL lipstick, my eye drops, Louis Vuitton perfume. This one is just sample size, and my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk powder. And I think that's all in my mini case. This one is also in black caviar leather with light gold hardware, and looks like this. And the last thing is my Samsung Note 8. This one is the 6.3 inch phone, so it's a big phone, and I usually put it on the slip pocket in the back here, and the boy has the fabric lining with only one slip pocket here. So looks like this, and my boy is made in Italy. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time, and see you again soon. Bye guys.